FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives, and the only trader that pierces through the market. And again, guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video to not miss out on any updates or any uploads that we are going to make in the near future. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to not miss a single video which we are going to upload or which we are going to be uploading. So be sure to also like this video, as it will be of so much help in letting the YouTube algorithm recognize our video, as our video will be of so much help to you guys. Also let it be of so much help to other people in terms of letting them know and understand what we actually do when it comes to forex, like analysis, or rather analyzing signals and all those types of things which we do regarding forex in general. So be sure to like our video, of which will be of so much help, guys. Okay guys, on this specific video, or rather on this specific upload, we are actually going to be analyzing XAUUSD together, guys. As you know, XAUUSD is gold, so we will be analyzing gold together. And as you know, we always have to start from a daily time frame to see how we actually, or rather see how the market is actually playing out, or rather see the overall market structure of gold. And you know, guys, we always send, or rather upload, gold analysis videos, or rather videos where we analyze gold specifically. So on this specific video, actually, I'll be actually giving you slight strategies which will help you in terms of being able to enter certain trades, or rather be able to enter your positions on this specific analysis, meaning that I'll be sharing a strategy with you guys to actually help you see better entry points, or rather see entry points which will help you to be profitable and be a good trader when it comes to forex, forex analyzing and being in a level whereby you are sure enough that each and every trade which you take, or rather each and every entry point which you see, is a valid entry point. So on this specific video, I'll be doing that. I'll be showing you all those types of things, because we always analyze. We have been analyzing gold prior, so I think most of the analysis which we have here have been made, or rather has been made through our past videos. So if you haven't watched our past videos or prior videos regarding gold, be sure to watch each and every video that we have uploaded regarding gold, or rather Nasdaq, or rather any type of video which we have uploaded, so you can understand and fully know what each and every market is doing, or rather what each and every pair is doing when it comes to market behavior, market manipulations, each and everything that regards market, or rather regarding markets. Okay, so on this specific video, I'll be actually giving you a hint on how to actually spot proper entry points, because we have been analyzing gold with you guys. I have been analyzing gold with you, and we currently know where gold will actually move, or rather where gold has, or rather what gold has been doing and where gold will be moving. Okay, but however, let me start with showing you what gold was actually doing prior. Okay, before we had this type of move which we had here, whereby gold decided to take a bit of a sell because of this change of market structure which happened here, and this second change of market structure which happened. However, gold wanted to come and test this level, but however there was not enough momentum for gold to actually take those buys and come to this point here and test these levels. Hence why gold decided to reverse at this point here and continue with the downs, or rather continue with the sells. And at this point here, that's where we have our second change of market, or rather change of structure, which resulted with these three double bottoms which happened here, or rather occurred, which is this first bottom, or rather first touch, second touch, and third touch, and an impulse move to the upside, which all this resulted as a change of market structure. And then going forth, we had a beautiful correction, or rather impulse to the upside, a bit of a correction, impulse, a bit of a correction, and an impulse move to the upside. So we can see that we only had two change of market structures, right? Which is this first change of market structure and this second change of market structure, which was a highly profitable or rather confirmable change of market structure, leading to impulse move to the upside. So we can see that because of this change of market structure, gold had enough momentum, or rather gained enough momentum, to actually shoot to the upside and continue with the buys. As we can see currently, gold is still with the buys until now. Okay, so at this point here we can see that gold came and tested this level, where prior that level was our change of market structure. That's where the market reversed, or rather rejected, at that level. So gold came at this point here and actually tested this level, and then it continued to the downside. However, gold also wanted to come and test this level here, but however it did not have much momentum, or rather much moves which will give it momentum to continue to the downside and test this level, hence why it rejected and reversed at this point here. And then it shot to the upside, and then it created a bit of a consolidation at this level here, and then it shot to the upside. Okay, currently what I can see with gold is that we currently have a double top type formation, which is currently resulting in an M type formation, right? So however, this is actually kind of tricky on a daily time frame. This is actually kind of tricky because we can see that if this is an M type formation, after this whole move which was created here, at this point here, we were actually supposed to take high selling positions and shoot to the downside. But however, we have this bit of a structure which is currently being formed. What's actually that structure called, or why is that structure being created? So a lot of people might see this as an M type formation, but however I see this as a bit of a consolidation, because if it was an M type formation, there was going to be a lot of impulse moves to the downside because of the M type formation which was created, right? So this is where most people actually blew their accounts, thinking that this is an M type formation, else forgetting that an M type formation has impulse move to the upside, or rather have impulse move to the downside. An M type formation has impulse move to the downside, and the W type formation has impulse move to the upside. But however, with this one, we only had 2 impulse candlesticks to the downside, and we're currently having a bit of a consolidation at this level here. So I can clearly see this as a whole consolidation. This whole market here, this whole structure here, I can actually see it and anticipate it as a consolidation. Why do I see this as a consolidation? The reason being that is that if it was an M type formation, we were going to take our sales, right? Meaning that from that point there, that's where we were actually going to take our sales to the downside, so probably at this point here. But however, the market has the structure of its own. It's creating a structure of its own, meaning that I can now take this as a consolidation, meaning that at this point here, the market might try to come to the downside, and at this point here continue to the upside, and then play like that until it breaks to the upside. Because with this gold analysis which I'm currently having here, I'm actually expecting for gold to take buys, guys. This is what I'm actually expecting for gold to do. I'm actually expecting for gold to continue with the buys, because I can clearly see that this is a whole consolidation, or rather a flag, which I've explained on our prior video, or our previous video, which was gold, not gold to say, but USD ZAR analysis. So on USD ZAR analysis, I've explained much more on a flag and how we must expect a flag to be, and the moves which a flag will possibly take out, or rather will possibly do on a flag. So with this, I'm actually seeing a beautiful flag, which we have the left arm, which is just this arm here, and then we have a body, and then on this body I'm actually expecting the market to shoot to the upside and break all this level. Right, seeing that now this is a whole structure being created, we can see that this is now a false M type formation and a false type of chart, right? So we can dive into 4-hour time frame. With a 4-hour time frame, this was a beautiful M-type formation, guys. No lie on this one. This was a beautiful M-type formation, which was actually supposed to be respected, highly respected, because of the touches which happened here. Because there was a first touch here, which is this touch, second touch, which is this touch, and a third touch, which highly confirms the sells, guys, which is a highly confirmable impulses to the downside. So I don't know why the market actually decided to change the structure, but however, let's focus on what the market is currently giving us and showing us, right, which is this type of formation, which is a consolidation. So meaning that I'll expect a beautiful consolidation, which will range in this type of form, and then from that consolidation, let me choose a clear color, which will actually help see the overall move or structure of the market. All right, so looking at this, we can see that the consolidation is actually also a beautiful consolidation. We can't complain, we can't further complain much more on this consolidation, because I can tell that the market is trying to gain enough momentum to actually shoot with the impulse move to the upside because of this. Also, we currently have this type of W-type formation, which I won't actually take into consideration, because I can see that gold is actually not respecting chart patterns. Because if gold was actually respecting chart patterns, which we currently had, or rather have now, it was going to respect this M-type formation, right? But however, with this W-type formation, I'll expect gold to actually... Alright, let me quickly explain this before I explain the W-type formation. Let me quickly explain the inverse head and shoulder, because it seems like gold actually got enough momentum to actually give us that trust which it has to give us by creating this inverse head and shoulder, and also respecting this inverse head and shoulder, but rather it did not respect this overall M-type formation. Let's forget about M-type formation, because gold has asked for an apology by creating to us this type of form, or rather this type of chart pattern, which is an inverse type formation, which also was actually respected, which this inverse head and shoulder was respected, and it shot to the upside. So with this current move here, I can say that gold is actually in an M-type formation, in a W-type formation currently, and that's where we have to expect buying positions, because as I've said that gold is trying to create a consolidation, right? So if gold is trying to create a consolidation, or rather a flag, it has to break this flag and continue to the buys. That's what I said prior, before I analyzed this whole structure, or rather this whole market with you, that I'm actually expecting gold to give us the beautiful buys. So for our entry points, we can say that this level here is a good level for our entry point, meaning that from that point there we can take the buys to the upside, and then we can expect a breakout of this consolidation, which we have the overall consolidation, and a shoot to the upside, which is an impulse move to the upside. But however, we might also experience a manipulation on this specific trade, because remember guys, it's an NFP week, or rather NFP month, meaning that we are actually expecting for high volatile news on all pairs which we have in the forex industry. So with this, what I can say is that I will actually expect gold. I'll actually expect that gold from that point there, it comes to this point here before shooting to the upside, because that's where I can say that, because this move which we currently have here, right, this move which you currently have here, the market won't create much more clear moves, guys. That's one thing you have to know. If the move, or rather the chart, is much more clear just know that it's a false chart, or rather a false market, and you have to jump out of it, because the market won't actually give you something which is much more clear. Yes, it will give you something which is much more clear, but it will want to trick your mind into entering those trades, and then it gets manipulated. So if you are analyzing such type of market, just know that you do not actually expect the market to be much more clear, but however, have those tricky moves so you can see what the market is actually doing and see where the market will actually go. But with this one, I won't actually be much more confident about it, because it's too beautiful, guys. It's too clear for me. It's too clear. I need something that's more indulging to be in. You see, I need something that's more tricky so I can be confident enough that I'll expect a certain move. But with this one, I'm actually sure, 100% sure, that the market will have a bit of manipulation somehow here and there, you see. But however, let's jump into 1 hour time frame. With 1 hour time frame, we can see that this is a beautiful chart, right? This is a beautiful market structure. But what if this level here is another consolidation level, or rather a flag? What if this level is a flag, and then the market will shoot to the downside and come to this level here, which is this level here? What if this overall move is a different move? Hence why I said that the market will not give you, actually it does not have to give you beautiful moves, guys. So because you'll be manipulated a lot and you won't see what you actually do when it comes to analysis. So with this one, I won't say that this is a beautiful move, but however, let's see what the market actually does. If the market does come to the downside, we'll know that when it reaches this point here, we'll now take our impulse moves to the upside. But however, if the market continues with the buys, we'll actually give an update to you guys on where to actually enter your trades, so we can continue with the uptrend. And as I've said, guys, before, that we do not actually write trades. We do not write trades, but however, we analyze and make sure that each and every trade which we take is a highly confirmable trade, and we are highly sure enough that that trade will be a profitable trade and a good trade to be in. Otherwise, this is all from me. Much love from me to you guys. FX Mentor, and I'm signing out.